In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to be the first to apply for a job on LinkedIn. Landing a job is often about timing, and being one of the first to apply can give you a significant edge. So let's walk through the steps to make sure you're always ahead of the game. First things first, you'll want to open your browser and go to linkedin.com. It's the main hub for all things professional, from networking to job searching. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. You can do this using Google or Microsoft, or simply enter your email address and password. If you haven't already created an account, now would be the time to do so. It's essential for making use of the LinkedIn platform in your job search. Once you're logged in, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, which I highly recommend for added security, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account. This could be via a code sent to your phone, so make sure you have your phone handy to complete this step smoothly. Now that you're subscribed to the network, direct your eyes to the top menu on your feed. There you will find a tab labeled Jobs. Give it a click. This section of LinkedIn is your gateway to a world of career opportunities. Here you'll find the search bar at the top of the page. Start by typing in your desired job title. Could be marketing manager, software engineer, or any other position you're aiming for. Once you've typed in your search query, press the enter key to pull up a list of results. This will present you with various job postings relevant to your interests and skills. Now here's a pro tip. To elbow your way to the front of the applicant line, filter your search to show jobs posted within the last 24 hours, or at the most a week. These postings generally have the least number of applicants, giving you a leg up. And don't stop there. You want to refine your search even further. Use the additional filters available to select the type of position you're seeking. Whether you're looking for full-time, part-time, contract, or even remote opportunities, setting these parameters can fine-tune your search results to better suit your career needs. So, there you have it, a straightforward path to ensure you're always first in line when that dream job gets posted on LinkedIn. Make it a habit to check regularly and apply these techniques, and you'll enhance your chances of catching the employer's attention. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your job hunt.